That's right, we've got another meal prep video for you today, and this one is going to be about balling on a budget. I don't know about y'all, but as someone who goes to the grocery store 4 to 5 times a week, I have noticed a jump, actually not even a jump, a soar in the price of food. So we're gonna be diving into some budget conscious recipes, and this is one of them. For this version of chicken and rice, we're gonna be doing a Jamaican / Caribbean inspired medley. This entire prep is so amazing. You can get in and out of the kitchen also in under 30 minutes with this one. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves, then let's get started. This is meal prep, so start out with the things that take the most amount of time first. So cooking up the grains. Jasmine rice is relatively inexpensive, but it packs a punch in terms of flavor. Always, always, always rinse your jasmine rice. You're gonna keep on doing this until the water is a lot less opaque. And as a pro tip, you know, one of the best places to buy jasmine rice would be online. If you have one of those big online wholesalers or retailers, kind of like an Amazon, or at places like Costco, because you can buy the really big bags in bulk. And yes, you may be spending a little bit more money right then, but over time, since it lasts in the pantry, you're gonna be saving a lot of money. Jasmine rice is also good because you can manipulate the flavor very well. So instead of using water or some chicken broth or vegetable broth, we're gonna be using some canned coconut milk, some light coconut milk. And it's a little hard to see here at the top of the rice, but you can see I'm gonna add just a half a cup more of this, and we should be good to go. Put this in, can you see? There we go, you see it? Add this to the stove, and we're off. Now for the veggies. Everyone always says when you're making chicken and rice, you gotta have chicken, rice, and veggies like broccoli or green beans. We're gonna be using broccoli. If you're trying to make this spread a little bit, take your floret, slice it right down the middle, boom. You've got more servings to spread out in your meal prep. Keep the seasoning really simple. I'm gonna spray with a little bit of oil and pinch of sea salt, black pepper, and then onion powder and some garlic powder. Good toss in here. And you can pop this into the oven as well at 420, or you can put it into your air fryer at 410. And we're gonna roast these for about 15 to 20 minutes. And woohoo, haha, next time just use the towel, cool Kev. All right, so our rice is pretty much done. All the liquid has been absorbed. Now I'm gonna take it off of the heat. We're gonna add in some frozen peas here. Ooh, ho, ho, ho. Wasn't that beautiful? The peas are going to boost the protein and also add just a little bit of sweetness to it as well. So it's gonna complement that coconut. Close this right back on up to allow the rice to finish cooking and absorbing all the liquid, and the steam from the rice is going to thaw out the frozen peas. Now for our protein option, we have chicken. This is a lot of chicken for just $2, so you can't beat this from a budget perspective. Since this is a pretty big piece, we can actually cut this in half, and then we can cut this into strips. It's really important that we give it some really good personality. Now, this is not in any capacity meant to be jerk rub. For the budget perspective, garlic powder, onion powder, and then a little bit of cinnamon, and a little bit of cayenne as well. These are spices that people usually have in their pantries, and they are relatively inexpensive. An even better thing would be to add in some allspice, some thyme, and some ginger. These are some of the different spices and the notes and flavors that are there traditionally in Jamaican Caribbean style cuisine. I'm gonna start out crushing up a little bit of allspice. Ooh, super fragrant already. Then in goes the garlic, onion powder, splash of cinnamon, just a little, that's a little bit too much. Too much dip on the chip, cool Kev. Definitely want some heat, some cayenne, some thyme. Again, you could use another dried herb and a little bit of ginger. I almost forgot, a little bit of coconut sugar, sea salt, and some black pepper. Do a light drizzle of oil as a binder. In goes the seasoning. Gonna fire up a carbon steel or a cast iron skillet. One reason why I recommend those is we can get a nice sear on that chicken. Nice and hot. Spray with a little bit of oil. In goes the chicken. I could just let it rest. Last bit of work to bring this on home. Look at that, beautiful. Look how plump the peas are. We're gonna infuse it just with a little bit more flavor. Gonna take a lemon if you have it. Just these small touches can take the mundane and just make them extraordinary. Open here, squeezing them lemon. Flake everything with a fork. Add some black pepper. Now, let's bring everything together. That is it for today's budget meal prep. If you like stuff like this, I want y'all to smash that like button below. Also, if you know of a quick way to get at a Jamaican jerk spice rub that is inexpensive, it doesn't have 10 different ingredients, let me also know in the comment section. I may reshare it or do another video with your idea. No, seriously, because I really do love that seasoning, but it does tend to be a lot more labor intensive because of all the different ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and remember you have to ring that bell, ding, so that way you can know when we post hot new content. And remember, you can catch us on At the Table Podcast here on YouTube on this channel. It's a bi-weekly podcast. We discuss the most relevant topics of today around good food. And one of our latest episodes about food security and food insecurity is a really, really dope one. So be sure that you go and catch up on all those episodes, y'all. Follow me also at FitMenCook on all other platforms. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I want you to keep it healthful, but of course, budget friendly and never, ever boring. Boom! Bye, peeps.